Good morning, Standard 10 student on Moscow Academy. Here, some more point I am going to explain in chapter arithmetic progressions. So be careful in this topic. First, last class I explained you how to find the terms value and term one given, and you can find out the total value Tn. This formula a Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. Now today I will explain you something more in detail. First, if you know the first term a, right, if you know the first term a and common difference d, you have both values. Then how you will find the AP series? Right? How you will find the AP series when you have first term and common difference? See, this rules you have to follow to write the AP series. A, right? Then a plus d, then a plus 2d, then a plus 3d, and so on. Right? A plus d, second term, third term, a plus 2d, fourth term, a plus 3d, like that, all the term you can take an example also. If a is 2 and common difference is also 2, what will be the AP term? So I have given example 2, 4, 6. Let's see by using this one it is coming same or not. So first a2, then a plus d means 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and a plus 2d, third, 2 plus 2 into d is 2, then 2 plus 3 into 2. See whether it is coming the same value or not. So 2, 4, 6, 8, is it coming? So this is the general means to find the AP series when you have first term and common difference. So this is the way to find out the AP series. First one. Now second type of question. When the question given this way, how to find the value? Right. Nth term you have to find in 2n minus 3. This is the question. Right. What is the question? Find the AP whose nth term is 2n minus 3. Once again, listen to the question. Find the AP means arithmetic progression you have to find which nth term is given 2n minus 3. When this type of question will be there, do one thing, you follow this pattern. Start putting the value of n from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get the sequence. So when you put 2 n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 3 means minus 1. Next 2 n into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. Next 3, 2 into 3 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 6. Next 4, 2 into 4 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. Now we are getting the series minus 1, 1, 3, 5. Check whether it is in the AP or not, arithmetic progression or not. How to check? We have to find you have to see the common difference. See the common difference. What is the common difference? Second minus first, 1 minus minus 1 that is 2. 3, third minus second, 3 minus 1, that is 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2. So common difference is same. It means this is our answer, minus 1, 1, 3, 5. So when this type of question is given, you have to put the value of, and starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get the ABC. 8. Another type of questions. See. When find the AP whose second term is 12 and seventh term exceed fourth by 50. Is it? What is given? Once again listen to the question. Find the AP whose second term is 12. Second term is A plus D. This is the second term. A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the first term A, second term A plus D. The A plus B value given 12. It is given. And seventh term exceeds the fourth term. So what is seventh term? So when you will put the value in the formula A plus 7 minus 1 into D, then you will get A plus 60. Means seventh term will be A plus 60, fifth term will be A plus 4D, third term will be A plus 2D. Like this. This is it. So what is, according to the question, what is given? The seventh term exceed. The seventh term is A plus 6D. Exceed means minus, extra, having extra. The fourth term is A plus 3D. By how much? It is exceed by 50. This is the equation first, when the second term is given 12 and seventh term exceed the fourth term by 50. This is second.
Hello, Moto.
8. So by 50, then you have to find the value of A and D by first and second equation. So first equation A plus D is equal to 12. This is first. Open this one. A plus 6D minus A minus 3D is equal to 15. Hey, so A, B we can see 6D minus 3D means 3D. 3D is equal to 15. So D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. Now put this value of D in first. So from first, D is 5, that is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 5 is 7. Now you have A7 and D5. Write the sequence by using A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A is equal to 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 2 into 5 is 10, 17. You will get the sequence. Another, you know how to find this value. I will explain it. Now, when you have to find the nth term from the end, listen here, nth term from the end, not from the beginning, from the last you have to find anything. So, formula is n minus r plus 1 from the end. This is very important formula. When you have to find the nth term from the last, then we will use n minus r plus 1. N is the number of terms, r is the that term, last term. Which term you have to, from the last you have to find, 7th term or 8th term. So r will be here. 8. So one question here. 13, 18, 23 up to 158. So first of all, find out the how many terms. Last value is given 158. So we will use the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and last value given 158. A 30 plus n not given. In this term, total how many terms, and that is not given. But the last term given 158. Select value. Difference 18 minus 35. You will get value of n. The n value is 30. Means this series contains total 30 terms. Now when you have to find 12 terms from the end, what is the value of 12 terms from the end? We will use the formula which I have given just now. What formula? N minus r plus 1. So n minus r plus 1 from n. And we got the value 30. R, which term you have to find? R 12 terms. So R will be 12 plus 1. 8. So what is value? 31 minus 12. So this value will be 98 term. What value of 98 term? 98 term from the beginning. So what value from the 98 term from the end? 90. This is 98 term from the beginning. So what is the 90 term? A plus 19 minus 1 into d. A 30 plus 19 minus 1 d is 5. This value is 103. This is our answer. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to find the total number of terms. After finding the total number of terms, 12 term you have to from the last, the n minus r plus 1 term, that will come 98 term. Now you find what is the value of the 98 term. To find the value, we have to use the original formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 19 minus 1 into d put the value 103. So from the end, the 12th term will be 103. So this day you will solve these questions. Hey, you follow any problem? So next class I will solve some more questions. You will try to solve the maximum question of first exercise. Thank you very much.